So now Shiv, you can mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Now we'll come back to our lesson. We were talking about animals around us. We are finished with the lesson and the exercises. Now let's quickly revise them once again. Let's quickly revise them. I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, Manvi, name two big animals.
Big animals.
Any two?
Giraffe and animal.
Okay. Giraffe and
Giraffe, elephant.
elephant. Okay, good. Mustafa, any two small animals?
My frog and insect.
All the insects. Okay. And
And
okay, Hania, what are pet animals? Okay, Hania, pet animals.
dog and cat.
Okay, dog and cat. But what are pet animals? Can we keep them in our houses? Hania, Hania, can we keep pet animals in our houses?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Abdul, what are farm animals? Myra, suspect. No.
Ma'am, sheep and sheep.
Sheep. Okay. Arjun.
Hen.
Okay, that's good.
And
Farm
yes,
animals
ma'am.
are those animals that are useful to us. We get something from them. And Abdul said sheep and hen. All right, Arjun, what are domestic animals? Arjun, what are domestic animals?
Lion.
Arjun, domestic animals, pet animals and farm animals together are called domestic animals. All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
Arjun.
1 minute. Hen.
Arjun, pet animals and farm animals together are called domestic animals. All right.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
Ashwell, name two animals that live on land and in water. Ashwell,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes. Two animals that live on land as well as in water. टू एनिमल्स के नेम्स बताइए जो
Dolphin. Dolphin. Fish.
दो एनिमल्स के नेम बताइए जो वाटर पे भी रहते हैं और लैंड पे भी रहते हैं.
Frog. Tortoise.
ओके.
Crocodile or crocodile.
Sayansh, you are
Excuse me, ma'am.
answering. Who's answering? This was Parth answering.
Ma'am, may I?
You don't have to answer out of turn, Parth. Okay, the next one for you, Parth. Some small animals, they are called insects and usually ज़्यादातर उनके कितने legs होते हैं? Usually they have 6 legs. Okay, good. Now, Satakshi, birds live on trees, true or false?
True.
True, very good. Next, Alia, giraffes live on land, true or false?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am,
True, okay, good.
true.
Next, Aradhya Khanna, monkeys can fly in the air.
False.
False, monkeys cannot fly in the air. कभी किसी ने देखा monkey को उड़ते हुए? Nobody has seen. Okay. Arish, the next one for you. Cows are dash animals.
Yes, ma'am.
Cows
Yes,
are
ma'am.
dash animals. Farm or wild?
Ma'am, farm.
Farm animals. Okay, good. Next one for you, Vani. Animals that live in the forest are called dash animals. Farm or wild?
Wild.
Wild animals. Okay, good. Animals that live in our homes are called dash animals. Abdul? Abdul, animals that live in our homes are called dash animals, pet or wild? Okay, pet animals. Okay, good. Alright, now come to page number 48, children. Page number 48. Science book, page number 48. Now it says, let's enjoy. See, the picture is given there. You have to write what it is. I am a. Hania, what is the answer? I am a. There's a picture given there. And there are 4 blanks given there. I am a. You have to write the name of the animal.
Fish.
Hania, I'm asking you.
I am a fish.
Okay, fish. F-I-S-H. Myra's answering. Right over there, F-I-S-H, fish. Hania, now you tell me. I live in dash. Where does a fish live?
Water.
Water. Very good. W-A-T-E-R. Right over there, water. Water. Children, one thing, when you sit down for your classes, make sure you have a hanky with you. Make sure that mummy gives you a hanky. जब आप क्लास के लिए बैठेंगे तो अपने साथ एक हैंकी लेकर बैठेंगे. Okay, now at the side you have a little puzzle. See that boy, he's gone fishing. You have to help him to find the fish. Now you put your pencil on the fishing rod, that string, and follow that. See which fish he is going to catch. A, B or C. Come on, work it out.
B. B, ma'am. Ma'am, B.
Okay, he's caught the B fish. That's right. All of you do it.
मैम पहले हमने बोल.
Okay. शिव, आपके साथ कौन है वहां पर? Your sister is there, Shiv. Tell her not to disturb you.
Sister, yes.
Yes. Tell her to move from there. You are studying. Tell her to just move from there. Okay, children. Now, page number 49. Page number 49 says, let's explore. Take a walk around your home or school. What kind of animals do you see? Write the names of any 3 animals that you see. Now here, since the schools are closed, we are not going to school, so you will have to do this at home. आप घर पे अपने आसपास कौन से animals आपको दिखते हैं? You will write the names of any 3 animals. I think most of you. Yes, Mustafa.
And page number
49.
Dog, monkey, cow. Thank you, ma'am.
Most of the animals. Parth, you have to learn. You have to learn to raise your hand, child. Okay? Mic on करके ऐसे तुरंत आंसर नहीं करते हैं. You have to raise your hand. Ma'am can see you. All right? Okay, now Parth has given the answer, children. You can see normally cow, monkey and dogs. So you can write over there cows, C-O-W-S. Shiv, don't put your finger in your mouth.
मैम वो एक पिक्चर ब्लॉक क्यों बनी है?
Page number 49. Yes, Ashwika?
नहीं, पेज नंबर 48 पे वही पिक्चर पे एक ब्लॉक्स बनी है.
Yes, right over there B. Right over there B. You have caught the fish and the fish is B. So write there B. Put B over there, all of you. And page 49, let's explore. Write the animals, cows, monkeys and dogs. When you finish, give me a thumbs up so we move forward. There's a nice poem given here. Okay, Myra's giving a thumbs up. She's finished. That's good.
Ma'am, I am done.
I have done. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have done.
You just give me a thumbs up. That's it. I can see.
Ma'am, I have done. I have done. I have done. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
You have to do this. You have to do this. Okay, now all the mics off. Now it says, let's try to create a 4-5 lines poem. Create means kuch banana. On your favorite animal, insect or bird. You may take help from your elders at home. Now, what you will do, आप अपने register में 4-5 lines you will write on any of your favorite animal, insect or bird. Okay, you will make a poem. 4-5 lines की एक छोटी सी poem आप बनाएंगे. Okay, and then in class we will discuss it. Right? Tomorrow we will discuss it in class. Today you will do this work. Tomorrow we will discuss in class. हम एक एक करके poem सुनेंगे कल सबकी. Right? You will do that work. Put over there HW. Number 1. Let's create. Put HW. Tomorrow we'll hear you out. Okay, your poem.
कौन से पेज में HW?
Page number 49 जहाँ पर number 1 लिखा है मुस्तफा. Put over there HW. You will write a short poem of 4 to 5 lines, and tomorrow in class I'm going to hear you all. One by one I'll hear all of you tomorrow in the science period, right? Yes, Alia, got it?
मैम कितनी लाइन पोएम किया है?
4 to 5 lines, अब्दुल. वहां पर लिखा है, देखिए, 4 to 5 lines.
मैम. Yes, मैम. मैम.
Yes, Ashuka.
मैम. पोएम लिखनी और नीचे एनिमल्स भी ड्रॉ करना है.
If you want to draw, you can draw. Okay, if you want to draw, you can draw and color them with your pencil colors.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You can decorate that page.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, this poem we are going to read, Ashika. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
Yes.
आपको किसी भी अपने now put your mics off and listen to me. Put your mics off. Aradhya, Mustafa, switch off your mic. Aradhya, switch off your mic. Vani. Now listen carefully. आप अपने किसी भी फेवरेट एनिमल के ऊपर 4 लाइंस और 5 लाइंस 4 to 5 लाइंस की एक छोटी सी पोएम आज लिखेंगे अपने रजिस्टर में, और उस पेज पर आप अपने फेवरेट एनिमल्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, कलर भी कर सकते हैं रजिस्टर में. Where will you do it, Myra?
Okay, ma'am.
Where will you do it, Myra?
Ma'am, register.
Register. Very good. You'll do it in your register. Tomorrow I will ask you in class. Now on page number 49 there is one poem given. Page 49 पर एक बहुत interesting poem दी हुई है. That is poem on zoo. Let me read it out for you. You follow in your book. And there are rhyming words in that also. Hania, sit properly. There are rhyming words in that. 1. The zoo is full of fun. 2. I saw a kangaroo. 3, a chimpanzee roaming free. 4, I heard the lions roar. Lions जो sound निकालते हैं उसको बोलते हैं roar. 5, the bees are in their hive. 6, the monkeys doing tricks. 7, elephants in team 11. 8, Uncle Tiger and his mate. 9, the peacocks in a line. 10, wow, I want to come again. That's a nice poem. That's just for your fun to read it. Okay? Then it says, in a scrapbook, paste pictures of 3 wild animals, 3 farm animals, 3 birds, 2 insects and 2 pet animals and write their names under these pictures. Now this activity you can do in your rough register. You can do this. Yes, Taiba, just 1 second. You can do this exercise in your rough register. Okay? You will do it in your rough register. Yes, Taiba? खुद अपने मन से पोएम लिखनी है आपको. On your own, you have to think. आपको सोच के अपने आप एक पोएम बनानी है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes.
Ma'am, animals say.
Animals say yes. On your favorite animal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, with that, we finish with your today's class. Join your hands, close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer.
Ma'am, because excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, music by dear.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, picture near.
That exercise which is given down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
स्क्रैपबुक में पिक्चर पे प्लान
स्क्रैपबुक में नहीं करेंगे, आप अपने रजिस्टर में करेंगे. Okay, you do it in your register. Register में.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, draw or paste?
Paste.
And yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
कुछ कहना?
Yes,
Only
Abdul.
Ma'am, just register में.
Now listen carefully. हम एक बार आपको फिर से बता रहे हैं. ध्यान से सुनो. I'll tell you in Hindi now. Just listen. Page number 49 पे, page number 49 पर number 2 लिखा है. Can you see number 2? Give me a thumbs up. Can you see number 2? ये आपको अपने रफ रजिस्टर में करना है. और नंबर 1 भी आपको रफ रजिस्टर में करना है. Have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
नंबर 1 की जो एक्सरसाइज आप करेंगे, जो आप पोएम लिखेंगे 4-5 लाइंस की, वो हम कल क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑल राइट. और जो नंबर 2 वाली एक्टिविटी है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीक देखेंगे. नंबर 2 की एक्टिविटी आई विल सी नेक्स्ट वीक. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन?
मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
नंबर 2 वाली एक्सरसाइज हम नेक्स्ट वीक देखेंगे. नंबर 1 की एक्सरसाइज हम लोग कल पोएम सुनेंगे. Got it? Give me a thumbs up. All of you got it? Taiba? No? Okay. So now it's time for prayers. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Thank you, O God, for all the people from
Thank
whom I
you,
have
God.
learned today, taught and shared my knowledge. Thank you for all the people who have been kind to me today, for those who have taught me the lessons which I must know for granted me good knowledge to do better in my life. Thank you for being with me every moment of this day and keeping me safe. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. So thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye, children.
ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.